The next one I'm going to be exploring with you is actually one of the greatest. It's called Wolfram Alpha. And with these two, I think this is not bad at all. It has everything from the maths to the science and technology to the social and culture and everyday life. So that means they have the mathematics content, they have the engineering, physics, chemistry. Wow, this is awesome. Physics, chemistry, and transportation, history. I'm not sure they'll be able to have our own history according to your country. I think you need to food and nutrition, accounting, which is money and finance. Ooh, data and time, art and media. I think it's almost everything. It's almost everything I'm seeing over here. And let's give one a try. So the first thing, let's go to maths, elementary maths. Let me click on elementary maths. So clicking on elementary maths, let me get elementary maths question.